I'm Trisha.
And I'm Freshy.
Body shaming is one of the most sadly part of our Filipino culture for the longest time.
From public settings, workplaces, and in schools, it is also frequently observed in gatherings between families and friends.
While some of the older generation will argue that it's just an act of a friendly banter and it is not meant to inflict any emotional harm.
These body-related comments has a different effect on more sensitive individuals who have been struggling with attaining a more positive view of their bodies. This video is all about our personal experiences of being discriminated because of our physical appearance.
And how we developed our own motivations to embrace ourselves and live a happier life, knowing that self-love goes a long way.
For me, body shaming has been a ghost that has constantly haunted me all my life. As someone with a plus-size body, I have been a subject of ridicule to a lot of people. There have been times where I've been told words that really hurt, and it has really driven me deep into depression. Those words had cut deep into me, and I would lay in bed at night, being unable to forget them. Those words, which people might have thought were humorous for them, made me feel less, made me feel unworthy, and the worst, made me feel unloved, even if people from my family and friends constantly reminded me that they loved me. If you have been through what I have experienced, what helped me the most was realizing that what other people think of me will not define me, and that kindness towards myself is key, and I believe you can do the same. I want you to remember that what mean things other people may say can never be what people that know you and love you think of you. Only you can give meaning to who you are, and always choose this as an opportunity to be kind to yourself. Wake up every day and think positive thoughts about yourself. Think that you are kinder than these people that judge you outwardly. Think that you are stronger for bearing the weight of being discriminated. Think that you are beautiful for thriving despite the emotional scars. Amongst all, live life without fear and regret. Always choose to be happy because what you think is what matters.
It's a truth, universally acknowledged, that people love to judge. They'll scrutinize your every move, criticize your choices, and doubt your dream. But let me tell you, their opinions are like fleeting clouds. They come and go. What really matters is the unwavering belief in yourself. Your journey, your rules. You are the author of your own story. Your life, your terms.
Being unseen and being ignored is a painful experience we can all have. But always remember that being excluded is not a defeat. It is not a failure. We should learn to rely on ourselves, avoid people with toxic behavior, people who will disrespect you, and never lower yourself for people who will put you in the dark. Embrace your individuality, embrace your uniqueness, because no one in this world is the same as you.
You are more than the hurtful words of cyberbullies. Your dark skin is a beautiful shade of strength, a testament to your resilience and uniqueness. Don't let online hate dictate your self-worth. You are stunning inside and out, and deserving of love and respect. Embrace your beauty, heritage, and identity. Remember, your worth isn't defined by likes or comments. You are not alone. We stand together against cyberbullying. Hold your head high, stay empowered, and shine your light. Your darkness is your strength.
want to say about you, but in the end of all,
What you think about yourself is what matters the most.
You are loved.
You are valued. Always remember that you are beautiful.
And you are strong.